To understand the relationship between money, inflation, and interest rates, we need to understand what nominal interest rates and real interest rates are. The nominal interest rate is the rate that is known at your local bank. We all have savings and checking accounts, and the nominal interest rate is the number that we use to determine how fast our account will grow. The real interest rate corrects the nominal interest rate due to the effect of inflation, and this will tell us how fast our purchasing power on our monies that's saved will rise over time. An easy estimation for the real interest rate is the nominal interest rate minus the expected rate of inflation. Nominal interest rates include all three risk factors plus time, value of money. Real interest rates include only systematic and regulatory risks and are not meant to measure the time value of money. Let's take a look at our equation here. This is the equation for the Fisher effect. 1 plus the nominal rate equals 1 plus the real rate times 1 plus the expected rate of inflation. Well, we could move that equation around and solve for the nominal rate. We have two ways to solve for the nominal rate, just made the equation a little different. It's basically the same thing. Over here we can solve for the real rate, and we can solve for the inflation rate. It's all the same formula. We also have a nice help document here if you need that. So if we have a real inflation rate of 10%, we have a real rate of 10% and an inflation rate of 3%, our nominal rate will be 13.3. And we can prove that again in our other ones. If we have the nominal rate of 13.3 and an inflation of 3, our real rate would be 10. Let's see the effect if interest goes up. The real rate would have to go down to maintain the same nominal rate. And this is the Fisher effect.